Thank you for joining us today. I'm here with Chef Brigitte from Simply French Cuisine, City Manager Brian Riblett, and Mayor Chris DeBrosi. And Brigitte, I'm going to let you tell them what you're making today.
Okay. I know it's a little hard to say. It's a clafoutis, which is a very simple French dish that we make for dessert in the summer because it's mostly with cherries. And I will tell you more about what we can do with this dessert for other seasons than summer. But for me, it's a very summery kind of dessert. And a clafoutis comes from south of France, and it's called clafoutis. It's an old word in Occitan, meaning filling. So it's a dish that fills you up. So today we are going to start maybe with the oven. We need to start the oven before because it's not going to take too long to prepare this dish. So I'm going to make this in this pan. It's going to go into the oven. So I'm going to start putting some butter in the pan.
Butter's good. Butter is good.
Yeah. And
Lots of butter.
Yeah. Okay, so now I have that done, and I'm going to put some sugar. Another good thing, yeah. And I'm going to cover it with sugar, and it sticks to the butter. So that makes it easier to remove it from the pan when you want to eat it. So my pan is ready, and now I'm ready to put the cherries, the fresh cherries. These cherries, I picked them today, but in France, we don't pick them. You eat them with the pit. But here, I'd rather remove the pit, and I will show you how to do it. So I took 2 cherries that are not pitted, and I use this cherry pitter. I don't know if you've ever seen that. It's a very easy one. It's a very easy way to pit cherries. You can do it with olives as well, but cherries is easier. Here we go. So that's an easy way to do that. These are fresh organic cherries that I found. And we use a lot of organic ingredients in our kitchen at Simply French Cuisine.
Delicious.
So, see, this is 1 pound of pitted cherries, and it fills the bottom of the pan. So now, these all look the same, right? They are all made the same colors and everything, but they are all different. I'm using eggs, 2 eggs for this recipe. And organic eggs, of course. 1 and 2. Okay. And I'm gonna whisk the eggs. I'm gonna use, so it's 1/3 of a cup of sugar. And I'm sorry, I know exactly the proportions in grams and milligrams and everything, but I have a hard time in cups and tablespoons, so I have to look it up. And then I add the almond flour. That would be 3.5 tablespoons of almond flour. And see, it's very easy to mix them with a whisk. So. And then I have cornstarch. That would be 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Whoops. It's a flying cornstarch. And maybe if I can make it work then. This is This is the milk and this is the cream, and I all measure this, so you can add them if you like.
While we whisk,
Yeah,
keep whisking. Who's
yeah,
good at
keep
whisking?
whisking.
All right, slowly adding the cream.
Yeah.
You need to whisk faster. Excellent job,
Thank you, Mayor.
Mr. Ripley. Your whisking skills.
Second to none.
Exceptional. Now, this is milk?
And this is milk.
This is
Yeah,
milk.
whole milk.
Third of a
Whole milk.
All organic.
Yeah, whole organic milk. I'm glad you did all the labor.
cup. How is that different than any other?
It's typical. There you go.
Okay, and I'm adding some vanilla paste. So vanilla paste is actually more difficult to find than vanilla extract. It's just a little better. We have this professionally. It's a pure vanilla. It's like vanilla beans with a little bit of alcohol. So
It's thick.
it's thick. Yeah. And then you can pour it here on top of the cherries.
Okay. Now?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, that looks good.
There, you could be a chef.
Look at that.
That's what I hear. Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. So this is ready to go. So you can see how simple it is and how it's not, heavy or anything. There's barely any butter. There is barely any flour. The reason for the cornstarch is to make it lighter than being with flour. And when you're not in the summer and you don't have access to cherries, you can have it with apples, peaches, any kind of fruit that you would like to put in there is perfect. The batter is going to be always a good one. So this goes into the oven at 360 for at 360 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 Celsius, for about 30 minutes. And when it's done, that's how it looks like when it's baked.
And what about anything on top of it? Ice cream?
You
Whipped
can have
cream?
ice cream, yeah, of course, or whipped cream, yeah. But taste it before, just like that. And then you can
Au
decide
naturel.
if you want to add something else. So.
Looks fantastic.
Now, do you need to cut it, or can you just dig into it?
Well, I thought that was a single serving.
I agree. I agree.
This actually would be typically for 4 people. You want to eat it here?
We're not going anywhere.
Oh, you're not going. Perfect. That's perfect then.